I just wanted to take a moment and do a shout out to one of my viewers and someone that has just become a friend. This project has been going on. You know, I've got the GS 550 Cafe Racer project that I did and the subsequent book that I wrote for that. And one gentleman in Miesbach, Germany, has watched this because he has a GS 550 project of his own, and he was sending me messages here and there saying that, you know, your videos are helping me with this or that or the other thing, and I love that. I love it when you guys tell me that that my videos have helped in some way, because that was my intention, is just to pass it on to the rest of the world, to someone else, and hopefully, you know, we grow knowledge as a community. But this particular gentleman, he handcrafts his own schnapps and a couple different flavors. And to show his gratitude, he went through the trouble and expense of sending me. Now, he air shipped these, so I'm sure that cost a pretty penny. And they took a long time to get here, I'm assuming because of COVID. But these things are beautiful. I can't wait to sample them with friends and family, and I'm so appreciative. But I want to talk a little bit about these because they're so cool. Not only does he, you know, handcraft the product inside, but the packaging here is beautiful. And in particular, I want to talk about this wax stamp. You know, he puts like a hot wax down on the label and then seals the top of the bottle with it. He also does have a plastic heat shrink sleeve on here. But the stamp is his family crest, and I'm told it is quite old. The actual stamp that he uses is very old and been in his family a while. And the picture on this label, I believe he actually lives in that home, and it's the coolest thing. It's in southern Germany near the Alps mountain range and near the Swiss Alps. He and his family are all avid motorcyclists, and I've mentioned him before. His name is Matthias. Matthias, thank you. I'm just so grateful for that gift. He has told me that he sent this because my videos were so valuable to him. And it's a thank you on his part to just show his gratitude for the videos that I've done. And you know what? I appreciate that. They are a lot of work to make, and I love it when, I mean, all I really need is somebody to say, thanks, your videos were helpful, but, you know, this is going above and beyond, and Matthias, thank you so much. And you know, I'll say this, and I'm not saying this because I want you guys to increase my ad revenues, but if you do, and this goes to any YouTuber that you like, if you really want to support them, the way that they can make more money without you doing anything else other than sitting there and watching is the ads. If you let the ad run, I guess we make a little bit more money. And with all of the thousands of hours that I've put into making these videos over the course of this channel, you guessed it, I am rolling in tens of dollars for the effort. And so, you know what? This is a nice gesture. Thank you. If you want to support YouTubers, let those ads run a little bit longer rather than skip them. You know, I skip them sometimes too. It depends on what the ad is, but just thank you. Let's get into this.